Come test drive the 2024 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, adaptive headlights, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.